Okay everyone, this is a life hack everyone needs to know except for the person who likes to take whatever food they want out of the shared work fridge. If you write on a glass container with Sharpie, maybe you want to write the date, your name, or any other label, take it off in the easiest way with a magic eraser. This really allows the magic eraser to live up to its name. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if a sponge and sandpaper had a baby? It's already happened. It's a magic eraser. The truth is, magic erasers are just tiny rectangular pieces of melamine foam with a cleaning agent inside. A melamine sponge is more dense than your average cleaning sponge, and its tiny pores make it a light abrasive, but not too abrasive like sandpaper. Fun fact, this is the same material that's used in soundproofing and insulation. And this was an accidental discovery. One hack that I like to do is cut them up into smaller pieces so I can use them to clean anything and then not feel guilty about throwing away the soiled piece. Did you just buy a pair of white sneakers? Why did you do that? Or did you just find a pair of sneakers you love, but the soles are white? Are you worried about how long they're going to look really nice before they get all stained up? Clean them with a magic eraser. As you can see in comparison, the soles of these shoes are equally dirty. I'm just going to clean one of them with a magic eraser to show you just how good it works. It's pretty simple. You can just take a magic eraser or a piece of the magic eraser and wipe away the dirt, grime, and stains. The more time you spend, the cleaner they'll get, but this is a super simple trick to clean your sneakers in a really efficient way. I like to take a dry napkin to wipe away the dirty water instead of it leaving streaks or dripping on the floor. Here is a side-by-side of the sneaker I just cleaned versus my dirty sneaker. This barely took any time but made such a huge difference. Have your kids ever went all Picasso on your walls? I can't be the only one. I went to the bathroom the other day and my 1.5-year-old proudly showed me this when I came out. I was luckily able to get it off as quick as a flash with this magic eraser. Magic erasers are safe to use on paint. Just don't scrub too hard so you don't wipe the paint off or make it peel. Does your hair straightener ever smell like burning hair? Do you get oils and spray residue on your straightener? Clean it up quick with the power of a magic eraser. Within just one swipe, did you see how much grime it picked up? Grime that would otherwise end up on your hair? This really works great to quickly get the grime off of your straightener, and it's safe to use on ceramic so you don't have to worry about damaging your straightener. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you're sure not to miss my helpful videos in the future. Do you dread cleaning the grout on your tile floor? Does it seem impossible to get it clean? Not anymore. Take a magic eraser, make sure it's nice and wet, and clean up your grout like nobody's business. Then I'm just quickly drying it with a paper towel to show you how clean it looks once it's dry. You know the area you dread, quite possibly the most dreaded or forgotten area about in your home. Make it a habit to use the magic eraser on your toilet at the end of its life. It also works great on the back of the toilet. The thing about magic erasers are, they're safe to use on ceramic and they work so great at getting grime up with little effort and no damage. Also, since magic erasers are white, it's kind of satisfying and maybe embarrassing in some cases to see all of the grime they pick up. You know how I said embarrassing. Sometimes my light switches get so dirty. Maybe this comes with having kids or maybe it's common, I don't know. Either way, the magic eraser will clean it up. I know magic erasers are known for getting scuffs off your walls, but check out how good they work on your doors. If you ever get those grime marks by the door handle or anywhere on the door, magic erasers are the one for the job. I notice we especially get these marks in the summer when we're outside a lot, but this is such an easy cleanup. How about those areas next to the door hinges? Do you ever get grease or metal colored rub off? The magic eraser will clean up any blemish on your door. Just remember not to scrub too hard so you don't chip your paint off. I think you're going to like this one, especially if you get a lot of dust in your home. Baseboards are like the part of your home that are looking for handouts. Just standing there catching every little thing and every little particle of dust in the air. We tend to neglect them. Well, neglect no more. This makes cleaning up super quick. And look at the results. It's astonishing. How about those door sills that are inevitably going to collect dirt, dust, hair, and whatever else? I love the smaller pieces of the magic eraser for this job. Just swipe it on through as quick as you swipe your card on one of your favorite purchases and you'll immediately have a cleaner door sill. Do you ever get hard water stains around the drain of your bathtub? This is seriously the quickest method I've ever found for hard water stains. Wipe it away like it's water with a magic eraser. The magic eraser ends up looking kind of gross, but that's how you know it works so good. Your stainless drain is going to have a mirror finish. You guessed it, since it works so great on the bathtub drain, it absolutely will work great cleaning your sink too. Since a magic eraser is flexible, it's great at getting the hard to reach areas. I can't stress it enough, too, that it takes little to no effort, but the outcome is so satisfying. And when your magic eraser gets messy, just rinse it out and put it back to work. I mean, you clean your sink and turn around and it's dirty again. Whether it's toothpaste, soap marks, dirt and grime, or hard water stains, the magic eraser is going to save the day. For those of you that follow the Fly Lady cleaning method and make cleaning your sink a part of your everyday routine, this is going to make it effortless. I know I mentioned in general cleaning the sink and tub, but putting a lot of focus on the faucet is going to shine it up like it's brand new. I want to thank you all who watched my video, and I hope this video gave you some ideas to make your life easier. Please feel free to leave me feedback in the comments below. I'm always striving to make better videos for you.